Hi everybody, this is David's trade log, and I just wanted to share a couple of trades he took. So this was a week of very strong market responsiveness, well in this case with the yen pairs. And David capitalized on that opportunity, right? He took 12 trades in different yen pairs, cross pairs. And he's up quite nicely with at least 5 hours for the week, well with a couple of open positions, so this can turn into a much bigger weekly hour result, right? So let's have let's have a look. It's an S2 15-minute. Well, that's an S2, right? We see nicely like all charts are trending, and we're basically going for for breaking here the daily high. If that breaks, we should get a big R result. So let's have a look. Well, it's just breaking, right? And we can see the bar that breaks, the daily bar that breaks the high, well, gives us already, well, we have reached the 4R level, right, here on the 15-minute. So these are the type of things we want to capitalize on, finding a very low risk entry idea and playing, playing the higher time frame charts ideally. Now this is an S1 on the 1 minute. So you see trading opportunities in a strong market environment can be like different systems and different time frames. This time it's S1 1 minute, the euro yen. So this is the S1. Well, I rather see this as an, well, this is taken with some discretion. I rather see this as a pattern here on one time frame higher on the 5 minute, or with the same entry, right? This is the flat line, very tight stop, and off it goes, because here we touched the 21, right? So this is the mid frame, and we went nicely higher and then came back and tested the flat. Now this is an S2 on a 5 minute Swiss yen. S2 here, here we are, it's a 5 minute. As well, taken with a little bit of discretion, right? We basically have two and a half, maybe 2.5 touches, and he gets in immediately here. So this is taken with some discretion, having in mind that we are in a strong market responsiveness environment. Next one, S2 long 5. Same here, right? So this is an S2 within a pullback. Here we have just broken to a new high, and we are just basically looking for making this break even and then letting it run. Let's have a look at this one. Well, let's just jump over that one. I guess you get the idea, right? So this is a very classic S2, right? Very tight stop. So he has chosen this, right? In a strong market responsiveness environment, you can pick tighter stops than usual. So this is a very nice and tight stop. Price has just broken here, broken to a new high. Well, we are in a momentum run, right? We never know when this comes back, which it will at some point. But with this tight stop, well, it doesn't need to go a long way to make this a break-even trade. Well, this was a break-even. This did not develop into a winner. And well, we see that, well, price just came back, right? And didn't, well, here we're putting in on the 4 hour, we're putting in a red bar. So we're in a type of a pullback. Now here US yen S1 on the 1 minute. If the markets are moving like the yen pairs, right, they're moving pretty fast. Well, you can trade down to the 1 minute chart, and that's what David did here. That's an S1 pattern. The S1 pattern basically is all this, right? This is the momentum move. This is the pattern, very tight stop, nicely testing the 21, super strong TC2, right? Trend and everything like running after breaking here. This is the S2. Yeah, we talked about this entry, right? So that's basically a scale into this overall daily. No, that's an H1 S2 long. So that let's have a look at this. So that that worked that worked its way close to the 3R level, and then it didn't do much. So we're already seeing here that we're basically overall in type of a pullback mode, right? But that made it nicely to a break even, or even a small winner. So that's well done, right? US yen S2 once again on the 1 minute. That's an S2, right? That's where the stop goes. There's no dominant higher low, no other dominant higher low, and well, this did not run at all, right? That triggered an entry, and then there was a quick stop out. So after a strong market responsiveness, when you see something like this, like good quality patterns that lead to a quick stop out, well, you want to be a bit cautious and think, oh, maybe we're done, right, with the market, with a favorable market environment, and that we're now basically in a pullback mode. This is another 1 hour loss, right? So now you want to be cautious. Yeah, there's no follow through anymore, right? Breaking, we're getting an entry, and then not going far, coming back below the flat and consolidating below the flat, right? So now I'm really becoming cautious and basically focusing again on high quality. Another break even. So just quick look what came up. Okay, past 4 hours. So there was another nice one coming up here. Well, that's a very nice, right? This is an S2 in a pullback, and here 821, the moving averages come close together, yeah, this was the pullback, right? Finding support at the 8. Yeah, so that's another trade idea, and giving him a good hour result. So that's it basically. When the market responsiveness is high, you can have quite a number of trades, right?